Okay, I'm out looking for coyote sign, and here's what I was talking about yesterday about looking for insects and stuff, and um, talking about even watch the butterflies. Well, look at that. Sometimes they're big butterflies, sometimes they're little butterflies. See if I can get there without spooking them. They're drawn to the moisture, I guess. I really don't know, but I just know that it's always good to kind of watch the insects and stuff. Like yesterday's video with those dung beetles. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.